Good morning, everybody. How are you today? Fine. Today we will continue page 94. We will do exercise 5, page 94. Yeah. How do we choose the smallest fraction? Circle to check to know the smallest fraction. So how do we choose the smallest fraction? If the numerators are different and the denominators are different. Yeah. We said that in a previous question in exercise 4 that if the numerators are different and the denominators are different, we will find the common denominator. So we have to make the denominators the same. In exercise 5, we will circle here the smallest fraction. How do we circle the smallest fraction? If you look at the first list, we have 2 over 3, 4 over 5, and 5 out of 6. All the numerators are different and all the denominators are different. So how do we choose the smallest fraction? We have to find the multiples. So it's the same as 2 fractions. If we have 3 fractions, we will find the multiples of 3, multiples of 5, and multiples of 6. When I see the first common multiple other than 0, we have to stop. It's the common denominator. Okay? Or the second way, I said it before, we can choose multiples of 2, 4, and 5. How we can make the numerators the same? By finding the common numerator, or we can find a common denominator. So we can find common numerator or common denominator. Both ways are correct. We have to choose the easiest way according to the multiples. Here we will find multiples of 2, 4, 5 or multiples of 3, 5, 6. Let's in the first one do common denominator. We will find the multiples of 3, 5, and 6. 3, 5, and 6 on a draft paper. Multiples of 3, multiples of 5, multiples of 6. Now, when I see the first common multiple other than 0 between the 3 numbers, I will stop. 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. 0, 5, 10, 15. If you see here we have 15 and here we have 15. Let's check if 15 is in table 6. 0, 6, 12, 18. There is no 15, so we have to continue up and down. 15, 18. Here 20. Continue. 18 plus 3, 21, 24, 27, and 30. Here 20, 25, and 30. Here 0, 6, 12, 18, 24, then 30. So the first common multiple other than 0 in all the numbers is 30. So it's the common denominator. So in all, we have to write over 30 in all because it's the common denominator. So the same way as the previous question. Now, which number in table 3 give us 30? 10. So we have to multiply by 10. Then look at table 5. Which number in table 5 give us 30? It's 6. We have to multiply by 6. Which number in table 6 give us 35? Multiply by 5. Let's multiply the numerators. Before I copy, I can't copy 2, 4, 5. No, we have to multiply the first numerator by 10, the second one by 6, then by 5. Then we choose the smallest fraction. 2 times 10, 20. 4 times 6, 24. 5 times 5, 25. Now we are comparing 3 fractions having the same denominator, 30. Which one is the smallest fraction? The one that has the smallest numerator. Which one? 20, 24, or 25? For sure, 20. So 20 over 30, it's the same as 2 over 3 is the smallest fraction. I circled it. Okay? This is the first example if we are making the denominators the same. I will do the second one. I will do the second example. Here, numerators the same. Why? If you look down, we can write table 3, table 4, table 2, and we find the common denominator. But if you look up, we have table 1, table 3, and table 1 also. So we can write it just table 3. Table 1, it's so easy, table 1. So the easiest way here, tables in the table 1 or table 3, so it's to make the numerators the same. So we will find here a common numerator in the second one. You can choose common denominator, no problem. Both of them are correct. Type. We have to write table 1 and table 3. Type. table 1 table 3. Table 3, 0, 3, 6, and so on. Table 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. The first common multiple other than 0 is 3. So now I will copy 3 where? Up or down? Up, because it's a common numerator, so it has to be up. 3 in all. So all have the same numerator. Now I multiply the denominators. Don't forget to multiply the denominators, then write them down. Table 1. Which number in table 1 give us 3 times 3? So we have to multiply by 3. Which number in table 3 give us 3? 1. Multiply by 1. Which number in table 1 give us 3 times 3? 3 times 3, 9. 4 times 1, 4. 2 times 3, 6. But now you have to pay attention. We are choosing the smallest fraction, but all have the same numerator. لما ننتبه لما يكون عندنا same numerator, the smallest fraction, the one that has biggest denominator, يعني هي أسوأ علامة, smallest grade. Which one here is the smallest grade? Here we need 3 points to get a full mark. Here we need 1 point to get a full mark. Here we need 6 points. So which one is the smallest grade here? 3 out of 9. So 1 out of 3 is the smallest fraction, اللي هو the one that has biggest denominator. So if we are finding a common numerator, the smallest fraction, the one that has biggest denominator. But if you are finding a common denominator, the smallest fraction with the smallest numerator, no need to reverse them. Okay? So we did the first two. I will leave the last two here. We will do them on Monday together. Thank you. See you. Bye-bye.